Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue à Learn French by SUCHITA. Je m'appelle SUCHITA, votre enseignante de la langue française, and in this video I am going to teach you the vocabulary related to when you are sick. Être malade, which means to be sick or to feel sick. Before we begin with this video, I would like to introduce you to my website www.learnfrenchbysuchita.com, where you will find recorded courses for all your French language needs. We have courses for DELF A1, DELF A2, DELF B1, TEF TCF recorded course, French phonetics as well. We have special courses for our school students ranging from grade 5 to grade 8. We also have courses for university students who are enrolled in certificate course or diploma course in Delhi University. And finally, we also have courses for our school students who are aiming to appear for their DELF Prem or DELF Junior examinations. So hurry up and check it out. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. And as I already told you, in this video, I'm going to teach you all the vocabulary related to when you are sick or when you're feeling ill, right? So être malade, which means to be sick or to be ill. Before we start with this video, I would request you to watch this video till the end, and in case you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel and mention your comments in the comment section below. Believe me guys, it really takes a lot of efforts to come up with the new and the updated content for you guys each time. So in case you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button. And in case you're not following me over my Instagram page, which is Learn French by SUCHITA, go and follow me over there as well. Now let's just start with this video. And here I'm going to teach you the vocabulary related to when you're feeling sick, right? So first, the topic is être malade. Être malade. Être, which means to be, right? Being sick or feeling ill. Ill. Être malade. Now the first one which I'm going to teach you over here is how do you say any type of pain? Let's say if you want to say I have headache, or I have toothache, or I have backache. How do you say this thing? That I have pain in so and so body part. For that, the expression that you use is avoir mal. Avoir mal. That's an expression with avoir. Avoir mal. Now, first of all, what exactly is this? Is the verb avoir. What exactly is the verb avoir and how do you conjugate that? If you do not know that, I'm going to mention the link in the card above. You can watch that video and then come back here again. I'm going to mention the same link in the description box below as well. Now, avoir mal, which means to have pain, right? So, and then you have to say that I have pain in the head. I have pain in the back. I have pain in the tooth. So for that, after that, you have to use any of these. Now, what exactly are these? These are basically the contracted articles. The contracted articles. Now, for that, if you do not know what exactly are the contracted articles, I'm going to mention the link in the card above, and also I'm going to mention the link of the same video in the description box below as well. Now, these are basically the contracted articles, which would mean in the, at the, to the. In order to specify that I have pain in the head. So that in the, how would you specify? By using these articles, right? Now here, if I want to explain you, I would say O we use for masculine, ala we use for feminine singular, a l apostrophe we'll use for the words which begin with a vowel and which are singular, and O we use for the words which are plural, right? Masculin singulier, feminin singulier, vowel and singular. And then this is used for plural. Now, I have written certain examples in front of you. If in English, if you want to say I have pain in the head, you generally say I have headache. I have headache. But in French, you do not say I have headache. You say I have pain in the head. That's how you say. Now, how do you have to say? I is je. Then you will conjugate the verb avoir, j'ai, mal, and then what is head? Head is known as tête. Tête. Now, tête, the word tête, you will have to decide, is it masculine singular, is it feminine singular, is it beginning with a vowel, or is it plural? Now, it's not beginning with a vowel, it's not even plural. Now, that's ending with E, so that means that's feminine, right? So, since it is feminine, I'm going to apply à la. J'ai mal à la tête. J'ai mal à la tête. Similarly, if I want to say, I have pain in the stomach. Now, stomach is known as ventre.
ventre. This word is masculine. This word is an exception. It ends with E, but still that's masculine. So you say, j'ai mal au ventre. Masculin. J'ai mal au ventre. In English you say, I have stomachache, but in French you say, I have pain in the stomach. J'ai mal au ventre. The next one, if you want to say, I have pain in the back, I have back pain. For that you'll say, j'ai mal, similar. This is similar. J'ai mal au dos. Dos, that's your back. J'ai mal au dos. Now that's again masculine singular. For that I have used O. J'ai mal au dos. Right? Here I have written je because I want to express that how am I feeling. Right? If you want to replace it with something else, you can. Like for example, if you want to say, he has pain in the head. He has, headache. So for that you will say, you will have to just replace this by il. Il a mal à la tête. You have to just replace this subject by whatever you want to say. You want to say he has pain or she has pain, whatever. And then you have to conjugate the verb avoir according to the subject. Right? I have written je over here. You can replace it with any subject. Now, if I want to say I have pain in the tooth, that means I have toothache. For that I'll say j'ai mal aux dents. Now there is a very little difference in the pronunciation. This is do. Do. There is no nasal sound here. Whereas this is dents. Dents. J'ai mal aux dents. Now you see that's plural. Teeth. So if it's plural, I'm going to apply O. J'ai mal aux dents. The next one being, if you want to say I have foot pain or I have sore feet. For that you will say j'ai mal aux pieds. Now you see that's also plural. Pied, which means foot, or plural, that's feet. If it's plural, I'm going to apply O. Right? Now I'll repeat it for you. J'ai mal à la tête. J'ai mal à la tête. J'ai mal au ventre. J'ai mal au ventre. J'ai mal au dos. J'ai mal au dos. J'ai mal aux dents. J'ai mal aux dents. J'ai mal aux pieds. J'ai mal aux pieds. Now here I have written few body parts. You can replace all these body parts by whatever body part you are feeling the pain in. Right? For this also I've already uploaded the video explaining you the vocabulary related to all the body parts. For that I'm going to mention the link in the card above and also in the description box below. Alright, so now we are going to learn certain verbs which would help you to express if you're feeling sick. For example, how do you say to sneeze, to cough, to vomit, all these things. Now the first verb being éternuer. Éternuer. Éternuer, which means to sneeze. Éternuer. Repeat after me so that you can improve on your pronunciations. The first one being éternuer. The next one is tousser. Tousser, which means to cough. Now, both these are ER verbs. If you do not know what exactly are the ER verbs and how do you conjugate them, I'm going to mention the link in the card above. You can watch that video and then come back here again. So, éternuer, which means to sneeze. Tousser, to cough. The next one is vomir. Vomir, which means to vomit. That's an IR verb. Vomir. The next one is se reposer. Se reposer, which means to rest or to relax. Se reposer. Now all the verbs which begin with se, they are basically the pronominal verbs. If you do not know what are the pronominal verbs, for that also I'm going to mention the link in the card above, and the same link I'm going to mention in the description box below as well. So now se reposer, which means to rest. The next one is consulter. Consulter. Consulter, again that's an ER verb. Consulter, that means to see a doctor or to consult a doctor. That's consulter. The next one is guérir. Guérir, which means to recover from an illness. Guérir. That's an IR verb. For the IR verbs also, I'm going to mention the link in the description box below. The next one is soigner. Soigner. Soigner, which means to take care or to treat, like a doctor treats the patients. So, soigner. The verb is soigner. See, here you have GN combination. Whenever you have GN combination, you pronounce it as ne. Ne. Soigner. The next one is être malade. Now, être is a very, very simple verb. I hope all of you know it already. So, être, which means to be. right? So to be sick, let's say if I want to say I am sick, I would say je suis malade. He is sick, il est malade, right? So that's the verb être. Now let's just revise them once again. The first one being éternuer, éternuer, tousser, tousser, vomir, vomir, se reposer, se reposer, consulter, consulter, guérir, guérir, soigner, soigner, être malade, être malade. Now the next one being la pommade, la pommade, pommade, the ointment or the cream that you apply. So la pommade. The next one is le docteur. For the doctor you have two words. You can also say le docteur, or else you can also say le médecin, le médecin, médecin. So la pommade, le docteur, le médecin. The next one being, how do you say patient? For that you say le patient, le patient. Medicines, les médicaments, les médicaments. Just divide it, break it. Médicaments, médicaments. The next one is, how do you say temperature? That's la température, la température, la température. The next one is fever. Fever is la fièvre, la fièvre. The next one is, how do you say flu? Flu is la grippe, la grippe. And the last one being, how do you say blisters? For blisters you say les ampoules, les ampoules, les ampoules. Je répète. Repeat after me so that you can improve on your pronunciations. The first one being la pommade, la pommade. Le docteur, le docteur. Le médecin, le médecin. Le patient, le patient. Les médicaments, les médicaments. La température, la température. La fièvre, la fièvre. La grippe, la grippe. And the last one being les ampoules. And that's it for this video. In case you know any other vocabulary or any other verb which is used to express if you're feeling sick, mention them in the comment section below. I'm going to read them out. And that's it for this video. In case you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and mention your comments in the comment section below. And I'm going to see you soon with the next video. Till then, au revoir, à bientôt et bisous bisous.